Privet is known as a relentless invader in California, invasive plant. I would like to make the case here that keeping a few mature trees that have seed will allow birds to survive the cold months of January and February. The seed of privet hangs on to the trees even through the fiercest winter storms and that north wind that we have here that blows everything down. All the other seed rot and go to the ground, and birds can be seen during January and February. Many species of birds I've seen feeding on the privet seed. So here's my case for that.
You can see the white-crowned sparrows flitting up there, and that privet tree. That privet is a tree now, and it's full of seed. It's January, it's cold, and in the next month they will feed on privet seed. I'm trying to get people to view it a little differently. And they do indeed look like white-crowned sparrows to me. But we will see mockingbird, robin, scrub jay, and others feeding on that seed.